I just got sent this hair waver and I think this is going to be pretty awesome. This is what we're working with. So I actually straightened my hair the other day. I have naturally wavy hair, but I don't really know how to wear my wavy hair well. So I'm really excited to see what this can do. Comes with a glove, one of these adapter plugs in case I travel. And then look at these two white clips. Great little travel case in purple, which happens to be one of my favorite colors. So I have it heating up right now. You can choose the setting depending on your hair type. If you have really fine hair, you're gonna wanna go for a low setting, medium, all the way up to thick and curly hair. So I put mine at a pretty high setting because my hair is actually really thick and pretty dense. Couple important things, don't use on wet hair and this gets hot. So make sure you're wearing a glove and then don't set it on any surfaces. Oh, and also up here, when you twist this, it's a little bit hard to read in there, but as you turn it, that's how you see what millimeter you're setting it to. And that determines the style of wave. We're gonna see what we go with on that. Here we go. Should I be bold and do the front piece first? Sure, why not? Here we go. It's gonna give us a beep after 8 seconds. And then we move down. Ooh, sounded crispy. What I'm not hearing are the beeps. Oh, wow. Look at that mermaid hair. That's so fun. Okay, this is going to be a lot of fun. Let's keep going. Okay, one thing about my hair is that it takes to this really, really well. I'm kind of doing it a fast and furious style. If I was going to really carefully do this, I would clip it up and go piece by piece. You can see that I'm not really doing every single piece very carefully, and I'm kind of going back through and doing them, which is, I guess, kind of a sloppy job. So don't come at me for doing it not so beautifully. But look, if it can come out beautiful and I'm doing it sloppy, imagine how good it's going to look when you do it perfectly on your own hair. This is pretty cool though. I'm going to go ahead and show you what it looks like from the back. Let's turn the camera around. And done. So I just did like a light wave through my hair. There's so many different styles and curls you can do. So I'm really excited to play with this thing. Now that it's done, I have it just sitting on the glove. This makes me feel like a rock star. I don't know, like Beyonce hair. It just looks really, really cool and fun. I think you're going to really like playing around with this as well, doing some fun, cool styles with it. I did this in a matter of minutes, but if you really, really took your time and did each piece, wow, you could do some insanely awesome hairstyles with it. So I think this waver is a lot of fun.